Alrighty, hi guys. If you're watching this video, hopefully you've tried out this problem already. If not, go back and try it. If you got the answer correct and you're 100% confident, you can skip this video and keep on going with the practice. But this is a chance to see my worked out solution, and you guys can kind of check your own answers like step by step. Alright. And I'm also going to show you how I use kind of my TI calculator to help me here. So, we're going to find the solution to this system of equations, and I'm going to use elimination, meaning I'm trying to get rid of a variable. All right, to do that, I see 4x and negative 4x are opposites, right? They're both 4, but one's positive, one's negative. With opposites, I am pretty sure I can add them to make them add up to 0, but let's try it. 4 plus negative 4. Notice I typed in every single sign there just to double check. Whoop, it would help if I used my negative sign instead of a minus sign. So let's try that again. 4 plus negative 4. There we go. And that gets me to 0. All right, so 4x plus negative 4x is 0, but that tells me how I'm going to combine these equations. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add up negative 5x plus negative 5y plus negative 4y. So we got negative 5 plus negative 4. Enter, and we get negative 9y. And lastly, we are going to do our constants. So we got this equals, and 46 plus 8 is 54. Okay, so double check your work now. Did you decide to add? And then did you add the equations correctly, right? Did you get negative 9y equals 54? If not, was it a subtraction issue, a sign error? Like, go back and see if you can find your mistake here. Okay, next up, let's go ahead and finish solving this equation. So negative 9y equals 54. To solve that, I divide both sides by negative 9, and I get y equals, I am pretty sure that is negative 6, but I'm going to double check in my calculator. And I do get negative 6. So y is negative 6. So that's part of my solution. Next up, I need to go back to either one of the original equations here. So let's see. I'm just going to pick the top equation for no particular reason and use this y equals negative 6. Right, so I had 4x minus 5y equals 46, but now I know that y is negative 6, so I take out the y and replace it with negative 6. And now this is negative 5 times negative 6. So again, let's check our calculator. And I get positive 30, so this becomes 4x plus 30 equals 46. All right, and now we have to solve this equation. So 46 minus 30, right, because I have to subtract 30 from both sides. And I get 4x equals 16. Sweet. Last step, divide both sides by 4. And I get x equals 4, because if I check, 16 divided by 4 is 4. All right, so my final answer here, remember ordered pairs are always x, y. So my final answer that I'm typing into Delta Math is 4, negative 6. All right, again, the nice thing about videos is you can always go back and check. So again, just double check, did you add the equations? Did you add them correctly? Did you take the correct solving steps? Then where these two arrows are, right here, Did you plug in -6 for y? And then from there, did you multiply and get the correct sign, a +30? Did you use inverse operations by subtracting 30? And then finish solving by dividing by 4 to get our final answer down here.